In this clip, we will be reviewing 6 slides. First, what is learning? Second, some aspects of learning. Third, certain assumptions underlying learning. Fourth, some observations on learning methods. Fifth, pedagogical model. Assumptions of andragogical model. Let's start with what is learning. It involves change. It is concerned with acquisition of new skills, knowledge, and attitudes. It enables individuals to make both social and personal adjustments. It is change in behavior as a result of experiences. Characteristics of learning growth. Growth is characterized by increasing independence of response from the stimulus. Growth depends upon internalizing events. Learning depends upon systematic interactions between the learner and the environment. Learning is marked by increasing capacity to deal with multiple demands. Let us see some aspects of learning. It has a quality of personal involvement. Learner is involved in learning as a whole person, both his feelings and cognitive aspects. It is self-initiated. Even when the motivation to learn is external, the sense of grasping, comprehending, and discovery comes from within. It is pervasive. It influences change in knowledge, skill, attitude, and behavior, perhaps even the personality of the learner. It is evaluated by the learner. Learner knows whether it is meeting his needs, whether it is leading towards achieving his ends. Learning is easy when it is relevant. Learners grasp aspects much faster when they are relevant or backed by perceived needs. Perceptions multiply learning. Perceptions help the learner to use the learnings of one situation in an entirely different new situation. Certain assumptions underlying learning. 1. Learning must be a continuous process in a world of accelerating change. Second, learning is a process of active inquiry. Third, learning facilitates development of competencies for performance in life situations. Fourth, learners are diverse and this calls for individualized learning training methods. Fifth, the primary task of the learning system is to identify the learning resources and effectively link them with learners. Sixth, learning multiplies by interaction with others. Seventh, last but not least, learning is more effective when guided by the process structure rather than content structure. Some observations on learning methods. Concrete concepts are learned as a result of experiences and observations. Abstract concepts are learned with the help of explanations and definitions rather than as a result of experiences and observations. Strategies are learned by recalling previously learned concepts, analyzing problems, selecting appropriate strategies, testing and practicing. Information is internalized by making sense of the new information by referring to the information that is already known. Skills are learned through practice, through knowledge of sequence of activities and learning of part skills. Attitudes are learned through experiences, modeling and conditioning. Pedagogical model. Pedagogy is derived from the Greek words paid and Agogos meaning child and leader of. Assumptions of pedagogy. Learners are dependent and have to be given instructions. Teacher centered, that is, all decisions, directions emerge from the teacher. All learning is through trainers' experiences. Learning is based on knowing the what and the how, but not the why of it. Learners learn through external stimuli. Now, the last slide. Assumption of andragogical model. People need to know why they should learn before the what and how of it. People want to be respected while they are learning. Learner centered, that is, decision direction comes from the training. Learning is through the experience of the trainee and the trainer. People learn through internal and external stimuli. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to the channel.